Hey, welcome to Pinnacle Web, and today we're going to talk about Cash App and some issues that users have been experiencing with its notifications. Cash App is a popular mobile banking and finance service that makes it easy to send, receive, and save money between users. For a platform whose goal is to offer instantaneous transfers and payments, users should be notified at the moment they receive a payment. But many Cash App users are currently facing an issue where notifications are delayed by hours or even days. This is frustrating for users, especially the ones who use the app for their business, as they are receiving payment notifications after significant delays. In more serious cases, some users have been facing the notification delay for weeks now. Meanwhile, some even report that their Cash App notifications have never worked. Fortunately, the Cash App team is already aware of the issue and they're looking into it. In the meantime, they recommend users close and reopen the app as a potential workaround. Additionally, you can try to remove any battery saving limitations that the system has placed on Cash App through your device's operating system settings. Our article about this story will offer you detailed information that is constantly updated. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.